Hey fitness friends, I'm Anna and welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. Are you ready to finally get rid of that stubborn belly fat? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple steps that will help you get that summer body in no time. Trust me, these tips are game changers. So if you're ready for a real fitness transformation, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. I know how frustrating it can be to stay consistent with your fitness goals. You're putting in the work, day after day, but sometimes it feels like you're not seeing any progress. Trust me, I've been there too. It's easy to get discouraged when results seem slow, but remember, real change takes time. Your body is changing, even if you can't see it yet. Hang in there, because your hard work will pay off. Let's dive into our first tip for getting that summer body, focusing on protein-rich meals. Protein is your secret weapon for boosting metabolism and fueling those muscles. When you eat protein, your body actually burns more calories digesting it compared to carbs or fats. It's like getting a mini workout just from eating. But that's not all. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. It's also crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue, especially after those intense workouts. So, what are some great protein sources? Lean meats like chicken and turkey are excellent choices. Fish, especially salmon and tuna, not only provide protein but also healthy omega-3 fatty acids. For vegetarians or vegans, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, as well as tofu and tempeh, are fantastic options. Don't forget about eggs. They're a complete protein source and incredibly versatile. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are also protein powerhouses that make great snacks or breakfast options. Now, how do you incorporate more protein into your daily meals? Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast like a veggie and egg white omelet or Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. For lunch, try a grilled chicken salad or a tuna wrap. At dinner, include a palm-sized portion of lean protein with your veggies. Remember, the key is balance. Aim to include a good source of protein with every meal, and you'll be on your way to a leaner, stronger you in no time. Now, let's talk about a game changer in your fitness routine: high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This powerhouse workout style is your secret weapon for torching fat and boosting your metabolism. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This alternating pattern pushes your body to its limits, resulting in a metabolic afterburn effect. What does this mean? Your body continues to burn calories long after you've finished your workout. The beauty of HIIT is its efficiency. In just 20 to 30 minutes, you can achieve more fat-burning benefits than an hour of steady-state cardio. Plus, it helps preserve muscle mass while targeting stubborn fat, including those pesky love handles. Here are some simple HIIT exercises you can incorporate into your routine. 1. Burpees. 2. Mountain climbers. 3. Jump squats. 4. High knees. 5. Jumping lunges. To create a HIIT workout, choose 4 to 5 exercises. Perform each for 30 seconds at maximum effort, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Repeat this circuit 3 to 4 times. Start with 2 HIIT sessions per week, gradually increasing to 3 or 4 as your fitness improves. Remember to warm up beforehand and cool down afterwards. The key to HIIT is pushing yourself during those work intervals. You should be breathing hard and feeling the burn. But don't worry, those rest periods are coming. Incorporate HIIT into your routine and watch those love handles start to melt away. Your summer body is just a few high-intensity workouts away. Now, let's dive into our third tip, which is all about staying hydrated. You might be wondering, what does water have to do with getting a summer body? Well, let me tell you, it's more important than you might think. Proper hydration is crucial for weight loss and overall health. When you're well hydrated, your body functions more efficiently, including your metabolism. In fact, drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. But that's not all. Sometimes, what we think is hunger is actually thirst. By staying hydrated, you can avoid unnecessary snacking and better control your appetite. Plus, water helps your body break down fat cells more effectively. So, how much water should you drink? While individual needs vary, a good rule of thumb is to aim for about 8 glasses a day. Here are some easy ways to increase your water intake. Start your day with a glass of water. It'll rehydrate you after sleep and kickstart your metabolism. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere. If it's within reach, you're more likely to sip throughout the day. Set reminders on your phone to drink water regularly. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and zucchini. Flavor your water with fresh fruits or herbs if you find plain water boring. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about losing weight. It's about feeling energized, improving your skin, and supporting your overall health. So, grab that water bottle and start sipping your way to a healthier, sexier you. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you. Sleep. That's right. Getting enough shut-eye is crucial for your summer body goals. When you don't get enough sleep, your body's hormones go haywire. Your levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increase, while leptin, which signals fullness, decreases. This means you're more likely to overeat and crave high-calorie foods. But that's not all. Lack of sleep also affects your metabolism. Studies show that sleep-deprived individuals burn fewer calories throughout the day. Plus, when you're tired, you're less likely to exercise or make healthy food choices. So how much sleep do you need? Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Here are some tips to improve your sleep quality. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading or taking a warm bath. Make your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light can disrupt your sleep cycle. Limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the evening. Try to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Remember, quality sleep isn't just about feeling refreshed. It's a powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal. So, prioritize those Z's and watch how it transforms your body and energy levels. Now, let's talk about our fifth and final tip, managing stress. You might be wondering, what does stress have to do with getting a summer body? Well, it turns out, quite a lot. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. This stress hormone can actually trigger cravings for high-fat, high-sugar foods and increase our appetite. It's like our body's way of trying to comfort us. But unfortunately, it often leads to overeating and weight gain. But that's not all. Chronic stress can also disrupt our sleep patterns, decrease our motivation to exercise, and even slow down our metabolism. It's a triple threat to our weight loss efforts. So how can we manage stress effectively? Here are some strategies I've found incredibly helpful. First, try incorporating regular exercise into your routine. It's a great stress buster, and bonus, it helps with weight loss too. Meditation and deep breathing exercises can work wonders. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Connect with friends and loved ones. Social support is crucial for managing stress. Practice time management to avoid feeling overwhelmed. And don't forget to make time for activities you enjoy. Having fun is a great stress reliever. By reducing stress, you're not only improving your overall well-being, but you're also setting yourself up for success in your weight loss journey. You'll likely find it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan, stay motivated to exercise, and get better quality sleep. All of these factors contribute to more effective weight loss and, ultimately, getting that summer body you're after. Now, close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You wake up feeling energized, confident, and excited to start your day. As you get dressed, you notice how your clothes fit perfectly, hugging your toned body in all the right places. You catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and can't help but smile at the transformation you've achieved. Your summer body isn't just a dream anymore, it's your reality. This is what awaits you when you commit to these simple steps. You have the power to make this vision come true. Are you ready to embrace your best self? All right, fitness friends, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember our 5 simple steps. Focus on protein, embrace HIIT, stay hydrated, prioritize sleep, and manage stress. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Which tip resonates with you the most? I want you to commit to trying it this week. Drop a comment below letting me know which one you're starting with. And hey, if you're serious about transforming your body, hit that subscribe button to join our Getting Sexy Back family. Let's crush those fitness goals together. All right, fitness friends, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember, getting that summer body isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling amazing in your own skin. You've got the tools now, so go out there and make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and motivation. Share this with a friend who could use a little getting sexy back in their life too. Join our community in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. Together, we've got this.